Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making crystal flowers. So for this activity, you're going to need a cup or a bowl. You're going to need a pipe cleaner, and you can have a few pipe cleaners if you want to make more flowers, a string, a wooden dowel or a pencil, some borax, and then some hot water too. So first of all, we are going, with the help of a grown-up, you're going to boil some water. So I have my boiled water here already, and I'm going to pour it into my cup like that. And I'm just going to pour it most of the way. Now I'm going to grab the borax, and you're going to want the help of a grown-up for this part too. We need a 1/4 cup of borax. It doesn't have to be about a 1/4 cup, just roughly, and I'm going to add that into my water. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to stir these together, and I want to keep stirring until all of the borax dissolves, which should just be about 30 seconds, and the hot water is going to help it dissolve really quick. So I'll just keep stirring. It's not quite dissolved yet, but soon it will be. And while you do this, be careful because the outsides are hot, and you can start thinking about what flowers you want to make. So for this example, I'll just make one flower, but if you want to make a whole bouquet of flowers, you can definitely do that. Okay, so now it's pretty much dissolved. So now I'm going to bend my pipe cleaner and I'm going to make it into a flower. And you can get creative. You can make a flower with lots of different petals. You can make a tulip. You can be super open-ended, and you can just fold it into whatever flower you like. So I have a little flower here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can do other shapes too if you want to make a crystal out of other shapes. There we go, my flower is almost done. So you can see I have a little flower now. And so now I'm going to grab my string, and I'm going to tie my string onto the flower. And this part doesn't need to look perfect because the string isn't going to be here for the whole time. It's just so that we can hang the flower into the borax. So with my pencil or my wooden dowel, I'm going to tie the string on the other end. I'm just going to tie it so it's like a big loop, and the flower will be able to sit on here. There we go. And I'm going to put that through there, and I'm going to have my pencil sit on there so that it's sitting inside the water, but like not just sitting on the bottom, so that it's sitting a little bit on top. You can't really see it, you can pretty much see it. And you're going to want to leave this for 24 hours or until the crystals are completely formed. And then you can pull your flower out, and you can see all on the pipe cleaner. The crystals will have formed, and it's going to look really cool. And then you can let it dry and put them on a paper towel to do that, and then you can make a ton of these and make a whole bouquet. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have lots of fun.